Welcome back, Unicorn fans. Today we're going to opening the Poopeez Series 1 from Basic Fun. But before we get started, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Thank you, Basic Fun, for sending in the Poopeez Series 1. Here's a single pack. It comes with 2 Poopeez inside. Now let's get opening. Let's unroll it. Here's our checklist. Open our first one. Its name is Neon Poop and it's a common. It has a red party hat on, so cute. Now let's open our second one. Here's Mother Deuce, and I like your pink hat on, it looks so funny. And we got our first rare, guys. Now let's open our second Poopy. And there's 36 to collect. Here's a checklist. Open our first one. His name is Nodu, and he's another rare. Now let's open our second one. Here we have a little cute bumblebee, but his name is Bumblebee. Now let's open our last single pack. Let's open our first one. Here's a Hulk Squirt, and he's a common. Now let's open our second one. Here's pie-arrhea, and he's our third rare. Now let's open our multi-pack. It comes with 6 Poopeez and a porta potty. Let's take our 6 Poopeez out. Now let's see what the names are. Here's Little Squirt, and he's a common. Here's TP, he's another common. Here's Pooji, and he looks like a poop, and he's a common. Here's our Plunger, and I love how squishy they are. Here is Rumble. He looks very mad. And here is Berry Stinky. He looks like a bear. Here's our porta potty, and we can store all our Poopeez in here. Isn't that so cool? Now let's take a closer look at all the Poopeez we unboxed today from Basic Fun. Here are our 3 rares. My favorite one is pie-arrhea. Here are all our commons. And my favorite one is TP. And here's our porta potty, where you can store all your Poopeez in. Isn't that so neat? And it has a little toilet in it. Here's another look at all our Poopeez. Thank you, Basic Fun, for sending in the Poopeez Series 1. They were so fun and cool. I'll leave a link down below to Basic Fun. Thank you for watching, Unicorns. Remember, like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Until next video,